Welcome on our tutorial video on AutoCAD, a powerful computer-aided design software used extensively in various industries. In this script, we will explore the different toolbars in AutoCAD and provide a basic profile presentation of the software. So let's get started.
Don't fake it, fake it, fake it.
AutoCAD is a professional design and drafting software that enables users to create precise and 2D and 3D drawings. It offers a wide range of tools and features to support various designs and disciplines, including architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. The menu bar, located at the top of the AutoCAD interface, provides access to various commands and functions. It contains drop-down menus for file operations, editing tools, drawing settings, and more. The standard toolbar located just below the menu bar consists of commonly used commands such as New, Open, Save, and Print. The drawing area is the central space where you create and modify your drawings. It provides a blank canvas for your design and work. Just below the drawing area is the command line, which displays prompts and allows you to enter commands and specify options. It is a powerful way to interact with AutoCAD and execute various operations. The AutoCAD offers several toolbars that provide quick access to specific tools and commands. These toolbars are customizable, allowing you to arrange them based on your preferences and working style. Let's explore some commonly used toolbars. The Modify toolbar includes essential tools for editing and modifying your drawings. It consists of commands such as Erase, Copy, Move, Rotate, and Scale. These tools allow you to manipulate and refine your designs with ease.
The Draw toolbar provides a wide range of tools for creating geometric shapes and elements. It includes commands for drawing lines, arcs, circles, and polygons, and more. The Draw toolbar is fundamental to creating the foundation of your design. The Dimension toolbar is dedicated to dimensioning tools, which are crucial for accurate annotation of drawings. It includes commands for linear dimensions, angular dimensions, and radial dimensions, and more. These tools help convey precise measurements and specifications. The Modify toolbar offers additional tools for advanced editing and modification of objects. It includes commands for filing, chamfering, trimming, and extending objects. Additionally, the Properties palette provides access to two object-specific properties and settings, allowing you to modify and fine-tune various aspects of your design elements. Toolbars in AutoCAD offer a convenient way to access frequently used commands and tools, enhancing your productivity and workflow efficiency. By familiarizing yourself with the different toolbars and their functions, you can enhance your productivity and efficiency in AutoCAD. Additionally, with its versatile features, AutoCAD enables you to create detailed drawings and presentations, ensuring effective communications and presentations of your design ideas. Basic Profile Presentation in AutoCAD. The basic profile presentation refers to the visual representation of a view of an object or a series of objects. It helps in creating 2D or 3D representations of objects from different viewpoints. Here, how you can create a basic profile presentation in AutoCAD. Start by drawing the object or objects you want to present in profile view. Use the appropriate drawing tools such as lines, arcs, circle, and so on. Set the view to profile by selecting the appropriate visual style or using the View command and selecting Profile. Adjust the viewing angle and position the capture at the desired profile view. You can use the 3D orbit command or the navigation tools to rotate, pan, and zoom the view. Apply materials and colors to the objects to enhance their visual appearance if needed. You can use materials command to assign materials and adjust their properties. If required, add dimensions or annotations to provide additional information about the profile view. Use the dimensioning tools available in AutoCAD to add linear, angular, and radial dimensions. Once the profile presentation is complete, you can save it as an image file or incorporate it into a larger drawing or project. Remember, the process may vary depending on the version of AutoCAD you are using, as new features and functionalities may be introduced in different versions. It always recommend to consult to the AutoCAD documentation or online resources specific to your version for detailed instructions.